Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, June 23rd. Quite an interesting day's trading today. It's another one of those spinning top candles, and that means indecision for the market. If we look at the candle, the first time frame downtrend is still intact. We still have a lower high and a lower low, so we don't have a change of trend in the first time frame. But we have a green candle, which means that there's been a net gain on the day by the bulls. Very small net gain though. Very, very slight. The body of the candle is very, very small and quite insignificant, with a shadow on the top and on the bottom. Now, this is also a potential harami pattern, although there's not really much of a trend to reverse here, where we only have really a one-day trend prior to this. But some people might call this a potential harami, and that's where the body of the current candle is engulfed by the body of the previous candle. Now, in bar chart terms, if we look at the range of the candle, the range of the current candle or current bar has decreased significantly. The range is the distance between the high and the low of the day's trading. And that tells us that the bears have become very much less eager to push the market down in the current downtrend along its way. Now, interestingly, if we look at where the market interacted with when we had this spinning top candle develop, it was right at the top of the Kumo, right at the top of the cloud, and that flat part of the cloud, which is an attractor of price action. So what do we expect from here? Well, we need to watch the high of the current bar, the current candle, for that to be taken out for a potential new first time frame uptrend for a retracement of this small swing here. Potential resistance at the swing low here, which was previous support, because we know support and resistance can change character and they can become the opposite of what they previously were. Or we could trade down to this support area here within the cloud. That's still a possibility. So indecision means that neither side, neither the bulls nor the bears, are strong. Both sides are weak and they're battling it out for ascendancy, although we have to remember that the first time frame trend is down and the bias will be in the short time frame to the downside because of that trend being down. And if we look at our other indicators, the Kijun Sen, which is the pink line, the slower line, is still flat, and looking at the Tenkan Sen, that's still pointing down, which means that the market still has downside momentum. Now, obviously, we're still just trading above the Kumo or the cloud, so there's still only a small amount of positive bias to the market as well. And the market's now also trading down below the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, which is negative for the market. It's quite bearish at the moment. So we need to watch the current candle for this decisiveness to evaporate and look for the bulls or the bears to either push the market down or push the market up.